case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Vermont Supreme Court presided over a case known as Fine Foods Inc. v. Dahlin, hinging on the fundamental right of an individual to work and participate in trade activities. The court noted the need for any restrictions on these rights, such as covenants not to compete, to be reasonable and defensible, with close regard to the specificity of each case. At the epicenter of the lawsuit was an individual who was challenging a court-enforced covenant not to compete. This restriction barred him from engaging in any restaurant business within a 25-mile radius of Brattleboro, Vermont. The defendant was stating that the trial court erred in 4 respects: failing to constrict the interpretation of the covenant, absence of sufficient evidence in support of the restrictions, improper acknowledgement of the distance between certain restaurants, and lack of evidence to substantify awarded attorney's fees. Nevertheless, the trial court ruled the defendant in violation of the covenant, having accepted a restaurant-related position prior to the lapse of the stipulated 5-year period. However, the Vermont Supreme Court partly affirmed the preceding decision, endorsing the propriety of the covenant and the appropriateness of the injunctive relief provided. It also justified the trial court's discretion in using judicial notice to ascertain the distance in question. Nonetheless, the Supreme Court adjudicated that the trial court's ruling on attorney's fees was unsupported by requisite evidence and thus remanded the case for further proceedings pertinent to that issue.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class